Hi everybody, I'm here to teach you the next little piece of information that you have to know about a triangle. While we were still in class, we talked about the sides of the triangle and how the two shortest sides have to add up to more than the longest side. And now we're going to talk about the angle sizes of these triangles. So first here we have an acute triangle. So that means that each of the angles are smaller than 90 degrees. So on the back of this triangle, I've labeled angle A, B, and C. So without measuring them with a protractor, I'm going to just tear off the corners to show you about angle sums. That means when you push the angles together and you add them all up. So if I take my 3 angle corners and I put them together ever so carefully, you'll notice that they come together to make a straight line. So a straight line has a measure, even though it doesn't look like an angle. If the center of my angle was here, my 3 angles put all together look like that. That's half of a circle. Full circle is 360 degrees. So these 3 angles add up to 180 degrees. So that works on acute triangles. Now let's look at one of the other 2 types of triangles. The next one is a right triangle. So in a right triangle, one of the angles has to make 90 degrees. So that's what that little box means right there, that it's a measure of 90 degrees. On this triangle, I've also labeled on the back angles A, B, and C, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with my acute triangle. Tear off my 3 angles and push them all together. So you'll notice again that they sit on a flat line together. So because of that, again, that would make up a semicircle. So for obtuse triangles, the 3 angles also add to 180 degrees. Oops, that's for a right triangle. And for the last type of triangle, we have our obtuse triangle. So what that means is that one of your angles is larger than 90 degrees. Real big angle right there. So again, I'm going to flip it over. I've labeled my 3 angles. Tear them apart. And we will push them together this time up on this line here. That one got a little bendy. There it is. All right, so it comes together, lies on a flat line again. So once again, we have your angle sum for the 3 angles of an obtuse triangle are again 180 degrees. So that leads us to our rule about the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle. The 3 angles of a triangle must equal 180 degrees. You guys will be using that on some upcoming assignments. Good luck!